Today we're gonna try to replace the PDC module, which is parking distance control module. If your vehicle is equipped, you found them in E66 E65 BMW 7 Series and other vehicles, including Phantom, like a Rolls-Royce Phantom. They usually go bad because of water. Sometimes it gets in these places and then damage them, and sometimes you can't really fix them, you just replace them. In most cases you do need to reprogram them, especially if it came out of a different vehicle. I'm going to show you how I did it. Of course, first thing first is disconnect the negative terminal. The PDC lives here with the battery. The control module is right next to the battery, right there. To get to it, all you have to do is open this. Once you open this right here, you pull this tab out and you have access to these. So what you want to do is you push this down and push it down and it comes out. I'm going to show you a close-up. You push this tab down and you remove it like that. When it locks, here, that clicking. Push that down. Alright. Push this tab again, and this will be able to remove it, eject it. And voila. To replace it, it's just reverse. Don't push this in here, you just lift this up. Just guide it halfway like that, and then that's it. And then you push it back like that. To test if this thing is working, you could turn the car on or you could start it. I just have it on. You push the PDC button here, and you see that there's something right behind the vehicle. The reason you see this right here is because there's a vehicle right next to it, so it is sensing that. It's not that close, but it is close by, so that is why it's sensing there is a vehicle which is parked right next to this vehicle. That is what it's sensing. Now we worked on the PDC. We're going to check if every sensor is working, but of course it would give us some sort of a fault on a iDrive or on an instrument cluster. However, we're going to confirm and see. So what we're going to do is turn on PDC or a parking distance sensor. So I'm going to go around the vehicle and you should be able to see my presence. You saw how it was reacting to my movement from distance to close up. It is working properly.